Hi again, everybody. It's Wednesday, the 24th of November, 2021. Let's pick up on the Astro trend this morning. Looking at the green line, we're at the area where we've peaked out, and now we've got this projected down move into tomorrow morning between about 8:40 and 12:13 is where we should bottom out. Tomorrow being the Thanksgiving holiday here. So we peak out on the blue line here at 920, and then the blue line and green line are both putting pressure to the downside. Now we have a key timing window in here this morning. Let me pull that into the picture. Here's the prior two windows. Yesterday we made this low in the large window that we had going here early AM. Got a nice rally out of there, and then another pushback to a lower low later in the day. There was another window last night just after midnight started in a quiet time till about 1:48. You can see we hit that high right at the end of that window and then made a little double tap and then traded down from there. So again, the end of that window was a pretty good intraday trend reversal that triggered off a 20 point move right there. So now we've got this white window on the B1 panel. Again, we've got this larger window on the B2, the larger green window, and that runs to tomorrow evening. So we're going to look to see what happens here. We've got downward pressure here for the good chunk of the day, so we'll see how this plays out. But there are key points inside this window. The A1 block, the green block and the white block are key, and then right here at this 10:05 area, we've got a couple of things come together. We've got a key segment ending on the PH, and also right there we have the peak on the blue line on the Astro that I just showed you on the prior chart. So that's a key zone for today, this area between 936 and 1007. So potential reversal somewhere right there at that point in time. The ideal scenario would be for the market to drift up into that area, and then when we get inside this timing block and then inside the smaller rectangle that I just drew would be a real nice place to short, and that could be a short that you could hold into Friday morning. So we'll look and see how that plays out. Anyhow, that's the key point for today. So we'll see what happens here, and then we'll be back again tomorrow. We'll take a look what happened, then take a look at what we expect on Friday. So thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you coming to our channel, watching our videos. We will talk to you again tomorrow.